Hi everyone, my name is Sanjeev Tripathi. In this video, I'm going to talk about choice router. What is the functionality of choice router in Mule application? In Mule application, we use choice router for conditional processing. Choice router is like if then else code block in Java programming language or any other programming language. Choice router have multiple routes and each routes have corresponding data view expression. At the runtime, Mule evaluates the data view expression in a sequence, and first expression that evaluates to true triggers the corresponding route. If none of the data view expression evaluate to true, then default routes get executed. Now I will demo the use of choice router in Mule application. I will add new Mule application. We'll go to File, New, Mule project. I will give the project name Choice Router Demo. Click Finish. I will add HTTP listener here, and now I will add the HTTP listener configuration. I will click plus sign, and I will keep this value default. So I will click OK. Now I will give the path demo. So this resource will be /demo. Now I will add a logger component, and I will set the message flow started. Now I will create a platform variable name platform. So I will drag set variable component. I'll drop inside flow, give the name platform and display name platform as well. And I will set the current value as a mule. Now I will add the choice router in the flow. So now I will drag the logger component from mule palette and put inside first route and add logger component, add logger component inside the default route as well. Now we have two routes. I want to add one more route, so I will drag one more logger component and I will take inside the choice route. When I can see this vertical line, I will drop the logger component at that time. So it added one more route. Now I will write a data view expression for these routes. So I want to execute first route when the value of variable is Boomi. So I will write data view expression here. Bars dot platform is equal to Boomi, and that time I want the first route should execute. So I will say the message in the logger use Dell Boomi integration platform. Now I will write data view expression inside second route. So I want to execute this route when variable dot platform value is equal to mule. So when the value of platform variable is mule, I want to execute this route. So I will say inside the logger component, use mule integration platform. Now, when none of the data weave expression evaluate to true, then I want to execute default. And in that case, I want to use Kong integration platform. So I will display the message use Kong integration platform. Now I will add one more component, transfer message, and drop inside flow. I will change the output to application JSON, and I will add one JSON field, process, value completed. Now let's run this application. This is being deployed inside embedded Mule runtime. It will take few seconds. Application has been deployed. Let's run it. So we'll test from browser. We have a resource named demo. So successfully executed, process completed. And we will observe the log. So you can see the use mule integration platform is being printed because the variable value is mule, and when this data weave expression get evaluated, it evaluated to false because the variable value is mule, so it does not execute. It comes to this route and it finds the value mule, so this data weave expression is true, and that's why it's printed the value use mule integration platform. Now I will change the variable value to other. So platform variable value will be now other, and in this case none of the data view expression will be true, so it will go to the default route and it should print use Kong integration platform. So application has already been, we'll save it. Now it will be deployed automatically. I will clean the console and I will test it again. I will call demo resource from browser and observe the log again. Okay, so now logger has printed use Kong integration platform. So that means because variable value is other, so this data weave expression was false, even this expression is false, so it came to the default route and it printed the value use Kong integration platform, and that's what we're seeing in the console. So this explains how we can use the choice router for conditional processing. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe it and hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Thank you.